Hi everyone, my name is Tyler with GPL Technologies. Welcome to our series, Quick Tips for Flow. Throughout this series, we'll show you how to expand the default layout for Flow to best fit your production needs. Today, we're transitioning your homepage into the Ultimate Resource Hub. We'll start by creating a new custom entity called Resource, then adding the entity to the project details page. The resource entity will act as a central depot for crucial documents like production specs, contact sheets, handbooks, and the latest scripts and breakdowns. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the site preferences, which is going to be in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the site preferences button. Click on that, and then once the page loads, you're going to want to navigate to the entities section. And from here, we're going to be creating a new custom entity. So scroll down until you see custom entities. And then we'll go ahead and we will select yes, use custom entity. And we'll rename this one to resource. Now we don't need tasks or version for this entity, but we will want to enable the detail page as well as include in search results. So whatever documents we add throughout this process, we can search for it in the future. So now we'll just go ahead and save the changes that we just made and navigate back to our project. And the next step is just to add this entity to our project details page. So from the project details page, we're going to want to enter design mode via the page settings at the top right corner of your screen. So the first thing I'm going to do before I add the widget is just do a little bit of reorganizing to make room. So I'm just going to do that by going to the views section, changing the number of columns and dragging a few things around. Now to add a new widget, you just go to the widgets section. We'll find the grid widget and drop it onto the site. And then all we need to do here is just select our new resource entity and go ahead and configure that. First thing to do is to go ahead and rename this widget. So just change the title to production resources. And then we're going to want to get rid of a few of the columns that already exist here. So we'll go to fields, configure columns, and then we'll just deselect the ones we don't want. We don't need statuses for this or thumbnails. And under the audit fields, I don't really need to see who updated the resource. We do want to go ahead and create one field, and we're going to do that by going to Fields, Manage Resource Fields, Add New Field, and then the field type is going to be File/link, and we'll name this Resource File, and this is what's going to actually enable us to upload files to this entity. So go ahead and select Next, and then Create Field. And we'll just go ahead and drag this column closer to the front. And we can save this out. And one final thing we need to do is just go ahead and configure the form for resources. So we'll select Add Resource, select the cogwheel in the upper right-hand corner, press Configure Layout, and then all we want to do is just enable the resource file and drag it up. Press Apply, and then where it says Modified at the top of that page, just go ahead and select that and do Save Form. This way it is there for future use. Now uploading documents to this form is as easy as just bringing your Finder window up and dragging the file into the upload section of the form. We'll go ahead and name this document real quick. We'll name it Contact List and then add a brief description as to what it is. And then all you need to do from there is just select the Create Resource button to upload the file. And we'll just continue adding a bunch of resources to this new entity. And the goal is to have just an easy go-to repository for important documents. No more having to dig through a server or search emails to find the information that you need. Now, once everything has been uploaded, all you need to do is just click on the resource file and it will automatically download to your browser. That's all we have for today. If you like this video, have any questions, if this sparked an idea for a function you would like to see in your project, or to learn more about our tools for Flow production tracking, send us an email at sales@gpltech.com.